Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, March 7th, 2023. Well, we had our clipper move through the region last night, producing pretty much what was expected in the forecast, with basically a trace to an inch of snow on the coastal plain, more snow as you head further over the interior in central Pennsylvania. Now that is all gone. And as a result, we're starting to see some slow clearing skies. Winds are coming in from the north-northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour, at times pushing up to 20 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 30s along the coast and upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior. Those temperatures will continue to rise, and this was a very wet snow, so expect rapid melt by the time we get to late morning. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if all of it is gone by the time we get to the afternoon, like maybe 12. When we take a look at the latest surface map and radar, you can see the last few rain and snow showers dropping through the region as our clipper exits out into the Atlantic. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see one storm exiting. There's our clipper, and behind it some nice cold air transport. So it's going to be a bit of a chilly day, easy day. But notice all the way back to the plains, basically not much going on. It's going to be a very quiet week. But then business starts to pick up with this little disturbance out here over the west coast. That'll be reaching our neck of the woods by the time we get to Saturday, with some rain and snow showers and possibly a stronger storm for early next week. We'll talk about that in a second. But overall, not for this week. A little bit cool, but tranquil for the most part. The weekend looks a bit unsettled. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for clearing skies with temperatures rebounding into the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. Expect winds from the northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour, at times gusting up to as high as 35 miles per hour in a few isolated locations. Definitely a breezy day as our storm exits out into the Atlantic. For tonight into tomorrow morning, the wind slowly subsides, ranging anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts around 25 miles per hour. Low temperatures will fall into the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. For tomorrow, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Look for high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, but the winds will be much weaker. For Thursday, high pressure again remains in control. Low temperatures will range from the mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. Basically, same pattern. For Friday, high pressure starts to give way. Look for some increasing cloud cover. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast, maybe even a few lower 50s if we get enough sunshine for the Philadelphia metro. Now on Saturday, we have an area low pressure that's going to be passing to our south. It's a bit disorganized, but there's some troughs around it as well. Look for rain and snow showers to develop late Friday night into Saturday morning. Some of these snow showers, especially to the west of the Delaware River, have potential of producing some snow accumulation. Not looking for a lot, looking below 4 inches here, but along the coast, a bit more of a wintry mix of rain and snow, so some slick roadways are possible on Saturday morning. That low pressure system will rapidly exit out with clearing skies by the evening. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the region. High temperatures will rebound into the mid 40s throughout the region, so anything that accumulates in the morning will melt quickly by the time we get to the afternoon. On Sunday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. One storm exits, and notice this storm really blows up out in the Atlantic. That could set the stage for our next storm. So on Sunday, tranquil conditions are in place. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s throughout the region. Again, quiet for the most part. On Monday, that high pressure system starts to exit, and this is where we're going to be watching our storm. There are some questions on how this storm develops. Right now, I'm holding off the precipitation on Monday to just increasing cloud cover with precipitation developing in the evening hours. Low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. High temperatures ranging from the mid-30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast with a stiff easterly wind. The question for Monday night into Tuesday, because this storm just explodes on the operational, is whether or not it actually all comes together. There's two different solutions here. One, the various pieces of the storm come together to form a monster storm for Monday night into Tuesday with significant snowfall throughout the region, a bit more of a wintry mix along the coast, but you still get some. Or it just misses out and this storm slides out into the Atlantic with barely any impact whatsoever. So it's kind of an all or nothing situation. So we have to keep an eye on this setup for Monday into Tuesday. You can see what the potential is. Keyword there is potential. If the short waves involved with this storm don't interact just right, then you don't get this. If they do, well, it could be one explosive end to the winter. So we'll keep an eye on it. Look for low temperatures on Tuesday, should I say, ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast as the storm exits. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.